Hey people, so I have created this video to help others like me get to the Hilton located at Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. I have looked at different maps, I have tried to find other videos, and so I said, you know what, I'm going to make one myself. And this is my experience with getting there. I actually have gotten to the hotel today, and I went out to get something to eat, and so I said, you know what, on my way back I'll record me driving to the airport, and later in the video I'll show you the inside of one of the levels at the parking lot, as well as show you how to walk from that parking lot to the hotel, because the hotel itself doesn't really give you a lot of instructions on that too, but I figured with this video that will help out. So basically, while you are driving, I don't care if you're going on I-90 West or I-90 East, when you are attempting to get to the O'Hare area, you're going to see signs that says I-190. And I-190 is basically the ramp to get you around the O'Hare area. So you're going to be seeing signs for like rental cars, you're going to see signs for cell phone lots, stuff like that. So you just want to make sure that you're on the I-190 ramp. And then once you get onto that ramp, you're going to start seeing signs for the terminals. Now, while I'm recording this video, again, like this is actually like my second time doing this while I came to the hotel, but you're going to see what I was doing and the mistake that I had made. So what you want to make sure that you're doing is, you may see some signs that say hourly parking. I don't know if those are the like general parking or if that is the parking close to the hotel. So you should definitely take the route that I am showing you, and if you want to, you know, have an adventure, that's fine, but this is definitely the way to get there. So what you're going to do is keep driving on I-190, and you're going to follow the signs for O'Hare, and you're going to start seeing signs for the terminals. You're going to see arrivals and departures. Don't worry about getting into the lanes for the arrivals or departures. You want to stay in the left lane. You're going to see me moving to the right. I realized that was not the right way to go, and I should stay on the left. So you want to make sure you stay on the far left, and you're just going to keep on driving. You're also going to see, like in this area, people are like crossing over like I am. There's actually some people behind me that was like doing last minute crossovers because that area was just confusing. So again, you just want to make sure you stay on the left side, and you're just going to keep driving and keep driving. So you're going to start seeing these terminals, and you're just going to keep on going and stay to the left. So there are some people that may be picking up some folks on the right side. These may be some people that are coming into Chicago, but you don't want to go into the area. You want to stay on the left. And see, it says Hilton Hotel, and it says parking lots A, B, and C. That's where you want to go. So earlier in the video, you may have seen like some daily parking, general parking. Don't worry about that. You want to look for parking lots A, B, C, because those are the parking lots that are next to the Hilton Hotel. So you're gonna again keep staying to your left and keep driving. So you're gonna see more signs for the Hilton coming up, and you're gonna keep on driving, staying to the left. So coming up on the left side, you're going to be seeing a sign that says Hilton. You don't want to turn that way unless you're dropping off somebody and you're just dropping them off in the front of the hotel and you're leaving. Otherwise, if you are planning to stay and you need to park, you're just going to keep on driving. don't make that left turn to the Hilton. You're just going to keep on driving. And as you're still driving, again, you're going to see the signs for the Hilton. Don't make that turn. Keep on going. See, it says parking ABC. That's where you want to keep going. So keep going. Drive to the left. Now, this whole time that I'm down here, it may be like about 5 minutes, like driving from the expressway, the start of I-190 over to this area. And again, it's not super crowded right now at the airport because this is later on in the day. But right now, it may have been like a 5-minute ride. So that's a sign for parking lots ABC. On the left of here, you're gonna see a parking lot C, and it's gonna say that it's like closed off. So you're just gonna keep driving. And when I'm driving, you're gonna see as we get there, the first lot is parking lot A, and that is the main garage. From what I found out is parking lots B and C are outdoor parking lots. So if you're trying to park in the main garage, you want to make sure that you go to this first area here. So I'm moving to the right now, and it says hourly daily parking. And again, I don't know if that is the same as what we saw earlier in the video, but I know for sure that I was looking for parking lots ABC, so I just followed this path to get there. So I'm going to drive in this lane, and my company actually has given us like parking passes. And to even right now, I don't know if this was like reserved parking or not, but I got into this lane anyway because I already had a pass. So it says, terminals 1, 2, and 3, Hilton reserved parking. So, this may be for the folks that like reserved online through the I think it's like Fly Parking Chicago, something like that. Or maybe the Spot Hero, maybe that type of reserved parking. But either way it goes, I already had like a little pass that I can get in and out of the parking garage through my company. So I just went into this area. Now, this is the main garage, and this is lot A. So if you're trying to get to lots B and C, I actually don't know exactly where that's at, but apparently those are the outdoor parkings. So yeah, so this is video that I took earlier in the day. So this is the inside of the parking garage. And right now I'm just going to show you that while you're on each level, it has like something related to Chicago and sports. So I'm on level 4 right now, and it is the Chicago Blackhawks. Also, I did notice that like when you're parking, they have like, you see there's a sign that says center. So that shows you that you're in the center area for the elevators. There's also, I guess, area for the right or the left. So it depends on where you're parking at. Maybe those are the other lots. I'm not sure. But this is the center area and the center elevators that I got on. And again, it shows the Hilton. So you're just gonna go into the elevator area, and you're going to go, you're gonna push the terminal button so that you go all the way down to the first floor. So yeah, so now I'm on the elevator, and I'm going to click the button that's next to terminal, and that's going to take me to the bottom level. So if you move to the left, which is what I've done when I got off the elevator, that's actually not the direction to the Hilton. So when I got off the elevator, I should have went to the right. So I'm walking that way. And again, this is actually like my third time going through here, and I still turned around and went in the wrong direction. So you're gonna make a right, and you're gonna see a sign over here to walk through, and the Hilton is actually in this direction. See, it says Hilton Hotel. So you're just going to keep walking straight. And as you keep going, you're going to turn to your left. There's going to be a sign there. You're going to turn to your left, and that's where the Hilton is at. Now, you walk through this area, and you can use, I have like a digital key card. So thankfully, my room was actually at the west elevator. So I did go up there earlier, but this is the main lobby. I just wanted to show you all where that's at. So this is where you can sign in with the front desk if you don't have a digital key. And this is how you get back to the elevator. So this is the west elevator, which is where my room is at. But if you're on the east side, you will go to the other side. Now, I got back on the elevator so you can see what it's like to get back over to the elevator section where the parking garage is at. So again, gonna get on the elevator, you're gonna go down to the terminal area, and you're going to make a right, and you're gonna make another right to get over to that section. So you're just gonna keep on walking over there. I'm noticing while I walk, like I'm moving side to side for some reason, but this is the direction that you're gonna go. And then you're gonna see a sign, like even if you take a CTA train or Chicago Transit Authority train, that's how you can get to that area too. There are signs for that. So again, you're just gonna keep walking, and you see the elevators for Center. So that's where I had parked, and that would be the direction you would go. Let's say, for instance, your company didn't give you like a parking pass. There's a little box here where you would pay for parking before you exit the garage. So yeah, so that's on the right side there. So that's where you would pay. And yeah, so that's how you drive to get to this parking lot and how you get to the hotel. I hope this video helps you out.